Thanks for visiting www.luscombe.motors.co.uk, and we're very proud to present this Vauxhall Crossland, finished off in the G in blue. Okay, it's got the front fog lights on it for you, you've got your daytime running lights which are LED. The bodywork's in fantastic condition, I've been around about it already. The same with the alloy wheels and the tyres, they're all in good condition as well. The Crossland itself is quite a good size of boot, so you easily get 2 or 3 cases in there for a good week away. Inside the back seat, you've got a good amount of space in there for your passengers, and all the fabric's all in good condition. In the front seats, you've got 4 electric windows which are all controlled by your buttons here. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. You've got a touchscreen in the middle which will go through your audio, which is AM, FM and DAB. You've got your Bluetooth for your phone, you can project up your smartphone onto it as well. You can work your climate through there as well, but it also is handy, you've got some buttons down here as well for you. You can replace USB so you can charge your phone up, and you've got a nice little tray to hold it in. You've got a 12 volt socket there as well for if you've got a bullet for USB, or if you've got one of these car hoovers. You've also got lane departure warnings fitted as well, so if you start drifting across white lines it will warn you. On your steering wheel you've got your cruise control speed limiter, and you've got your media functions on that side. The car has done 34,760 miles. It's had 2 owners, it's new, but they've looked after it well because we've got full service history on it as well for you. But as with all our used cars at Luscombe's, we will put a fresh service on before you leave, and also have a full 12-month advisory free MOT. Please take time to look at the technician's appraisal video which is on the website as well. I just got a bit more technical detail on the car for you. I'll go through things like suspension, brakes and the condition of battery and ECU, etc. If you do have any questions, please call with the sales team at Luscombe Suzuki. But in the meantime, thank you very much for looking at the video, and I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks, bye bye.